On a year a branch here, your friend Mr. Ofochu, and nickname and Crawford at the friend of a no yawa, our wash shine mana news eba say soja nibi akobonitio ekunono. We are getting more details on that. Now, dear Yatse and say a branch here no na a yadea wukita we wash it. A branch and angasana downfall. Na one no ewa around. Wo hu de air koso edensem ababetuja. Na wase ne kre na branch ni kita we a wash it. Na wash we no and na wash we no. Na soja ni ebae na soja ni be kata ne se masa na wo in the first place lockdown. The lockdown in the first place no eni kwan se wo pie eba abonten. Na wasan so pie abo abonten ama wonya akukuduro a wo de ehyiwi. Na apparently wo ti area ni mu nyina na wo se a branch no wa ya koye se wo area we teacher. Inti aposifo a wo ahya ma ho ni wo bie nim se a branch we die. Just say wono de won na ma we nkwa no shinti ama police for kra wo ntumi nche no. Akọ se we teacher no ye china na ye jani mu because we dey ye say enya papa. Inti uko bisa police for na akọ police for kra say a branch bi shi wa ha mo nko china. Uko bo Mr. Wofochu din ana no yawa na police for ka say oh no yawa onye papa jai no. Inti apparently soja no onye obi a woni ma branch ye no. Inti woko hu za branch nation a branch ni so hu ne se wonu de bia wo hye wo bia ntumi nchi no wo bia ntumi nya ne hwe. Inti so de ni no ebe hu na soja ne eka say in the first place lockdown ada na we pia wo hye. E na soja ne sha say wo de aba ebo no. Na wo mo ni ma branch no so say a branch no wo mo ni ma branch no ka say branch no so ye obi a ne ho odin. Inti soja ni no e de aba na ebo no anya bia wa twetwe bia konimu inti ne ni so aye who are you. And I watching about the free soja in same. So that's the story coming through. Senior military for no Emma Yati as I say a branch anymore ye na dwen say wo ji soja ni tio no ye say dabi abani mum and I watching free soja in same. Eho and a soja ni no because now one more car and around. And a soja ni chief phone na wo ye call. Na wo ye call no wo mo around near say so the need the call na eto loudspeaker and na de omo te ye and say shoot am just so the need ye call e bia wo musu say wo frɛ ni senior e bisa me say a branch e bi shi wi wa ha waje abana me de hwe no waje ato atwene say me ya wo ne me beko e na wa frɛ ni seniors na ni seniors no e can say shoot am omo ba ha ne say so the need na akɔ ne kan ho aba nti e ho no e na branch na wo shi wi no ne nanfofo ebo na ma ne say so de ni na konika ne ho de etuo ba o ye ne dwane abrante ne so de o kan say masa wonu ondwane ko bebia wonye ebone bia because hu ne say we na wo hye no wonye ebone because ya de bia wo hye wo area ni mo bia hu ne say ebone nti de ono so kan say wonye ebone bia nti wondwane nti ne nanfofo anom wo ne nche no mo hu se ne na soja no edi ebufuo ba watwe etuo na atoka etuo no ne nanfofo ni nya adwane ye ba abrante ne still no gina ho ti ne nanfofo na ekọ na obeti pe abrante na eda fom no ya bonitio nti omo de omo susu se eye military officer panyin bi na ebo soja ni na ana cheza wo frɛ soja ni bisa no wo frɛ ni panyin because omo te call no nti military officer panyin bi na ebo soja ni na mane say one shoot to a branch and in kuno. And on nso odi ose ayo because you can't say military obey before command. And so if today the military is coming up with a story to defend their people, it makes sense. Now, I just want us to be real here. Both sides near and I'll not behave as a hypocrite and just say me the assembly to soja ni so bashe say soja ni wa nya de soja ni say both sides near and the two sides all it's no good in the first place. Despite the fact say abrantie no wo hye wi e woni area mu na police for crown to me in chino because almost say abranti with the name no we are no she police want to me in chino no despite the fact say abranti and yes I don't know it doesn't mean say it is right for him to be doing that in the first place a lockdown main pay you say essential things in kwande was a whoopie ebeye in the first place directives of lockdown no we defy the directives of the lockdown wasan so pia wo shit into a double punishment no but you see this is the point where military and now police we expect you to be professional in your dealings. The military or the police are security agencies. They are supposed to enforce the laws in this country. If you are supposed to enforce the laws in this country, fane say abante na wo hye wi no fane say wo ni memra. Nti fane fa emra kwan so. Eni kwan say wo ba kwa kobo ni tuo eku no dabi. Just like the nadamfo e dia beto yenimu a yenso ye de tumu enim no. Nadamfo awone no ewo chese no ne na ejina ho menim so ne na ehye dia. Asem ni siye na ono nadamfo ni de wodwane ya wakata ne so ombra wo se womba. Nadamfo no de asem na beto yenim. Inti the fact say soldier ni no utumi ko o kan ne ho esanso ba and that means you are not alone. That means who soldier ni no you are not alone. And at the fact say utumi fra wo boss and utumi fra wo bi e wo phone so e ka say shoot am no. That means you could have called for reinforcement as well. Wo dey aba e bo abrantie no e na abrantie na agi aba na to atwene. U feel say who soldier ni no who feel say the wo ye no e right because abrantie is still or share. Just call for backup. Call for your fellow military men. No mumbra because the meme can say abrantie and say ne ho aye den say den kra na on to me on kwa en to me mbo a soldier for 10. So just call for backup and arrest him. As simple as that. The fact say one locking the home down a wash crano, a bit to me a manako in Fiasia 10 years. And a bit to me a ya finding 12,000 Ghana cedis. And I ended was also ekita we. It's a multi the American ye. A branch on the side one yard yet. Because we are so genica ububefu. Say me a so geni because you see these people in the uniform, the police, the soldiers and the likes no, they command respect. Yet the respect and the discipline and the training omo immigration ni bibia yet the respect and discipline and the training omo. Enutina se police ni wa ya de kra na wo civilian the fact say police ni no was a police attire wo civilian wo ni kwan say was a wo police ni bono even if police no de wa ye no enye police ni she uniform now don saka ne pe waso be she say wasem ye de kra na wasem be say ana so je ni she uniform now don saka no immigration ni e she uniform don saka no wasem ye de kra na wasem be say because the uniform they wear they command respect and discipline from the uniform. Iti yes meti asese soja ni na be ne ya se we hu se soja ni me ba me se jai hye wo se won jai a me de aba airball wasan so age aba na to atwene like umbu me soja ni ye o be se o tell me se wo ye hard ese me iti soja ni na ebufuo no meti ase. But that was the point where nanke was a soja ni no we use professionalism or the ejuma. Because just like what I said, a soldier for ena emra and na to me show monsa say Ghana mbrano they should enforce it. Eyomope ena emra emo to me said they should enforce the laws of this country. It is a who delisa na ubeye wo ho say nipa kwa ho ni dili no wonu wo nim law no wo na wo be tre no wo na wo be ma ye de na court any kwanza okotwe etu say ye o boni tu eku no ene sa dia na Ghana na ka say na ka soldier fo ni police wo be ku nkrofo bebre. And those of you who are justifying this thing, this act from the military, amoka say ane ye ka say tinefie wantena utinefie anka me tinefie say ya mebo mitio utinefie mu amoka sansem ni na munjai o munjai na nto mu amonda eye wo relative bi na de we ye na me nya sure say sa akasa na wo kana nka obeka abrantie we na nka ye o papa ana wo bra panyi wo bra ketwa e na soja ni asem way simple a obetumi afre backup na yakwa arrest abrantie no. He wasn't armed. He wasn't armed. Ati ase na ke ya papa na obra ene ye ne sa me nyeso so beba betena aka say soja ni neku na weku no. No, it is not right. It is not right. Abrantie na nya de. But that is where we are enforcing law no. And what's what say? Yes, you know what is right. Because you are the enforcer of the law. So for you Nkwande, you have to know what is right. Akwa say, okwa driving school. Now we go sinya car. Some of the good driving schools, they don't better on say wo twi car. O de fan say wo bia wonam kwan ni so a wo twi car bia no enim car twi muntie ne ye o call some of the very good driving schools as an ebe car yes wo twi car yes obi a wo twi car na betumi aba ne se wonim car kra twi sen ho ba wo de fa ne se wonim car twi na menko hu ne se onipa ko we misusu se wonim car twi nti wo nya mistake bi wo di weni kwato so sana wo betumi aye mistake na wo wanya accident. Inti fane se wo bia wonam kwan so a wo twi car bia enim car twi inti wo de wo be ye what is right nkwa ukwa driving school some of the things they will tell you no and no inti wo kwa wo ye soldier ni and police ni that is how they need to act. You need to act as if ne bakuna woni ni dealing no wonim law. And not say, oh, I say as that, say you are looking down upon the person, no, Dabi. In the good way. It's a new hunting, the Bakuni di Bonia, and Brakwan so now the Neafa so. And as I say, the Bakune di Bonnet, now would you before, Waka on two, no afre, and ye, obi yes, near Mount Oda, Bonitio Kuno, no Bonitio Kuno. Ye ni ho. So far, one more no more stories are one more banner. It is conflicting with that of a military dia wo mo de ebetu dwa say wo abrante ne ye say wo ji soja ni ni tio interna soja ni bo ni tio ku no omo ano mo wo ho e the story abase da bia ne sa na tie ade abrante ne ji free soja ni ho no e ya ba na soja ni no wo de bo abrante no e na abrante ne je aba ne free soja ni nsem nti anu mo bufuo e na soja ni de be bo ni tio ku no. Unche amaju comment box ni mo. Asem we me ya. Manka na meboa. Asem we asem bia. Eye me ya papa. Because there is the right way. Embra ama ho kwan the right way for us to do things. But we a military officer. Now we say what there? Dabi, who you so the right way. Unche amaju na that's it.